Samsung has just unveiled the newest members of its A-series lineup, the Galaxy A56 5G and Galaxy A36 5G, packed with impressive features that elevate the mid-range smartphone experience. Fortunately, we had the opportunity to go hands-on with these devices during a media preview. Based on my initial impressions, both devices pack advanced features at a competitive price. Based on my spec sheet, they seem to offer a great value, but real-world performance and daily usage will determine if they can truly meet our expectations. Kaya mas maganda sana kung ma-review natin sila. So at first glance, these two smartphones shares a lot of similarities in terms of specifications. However, there are a few notable differences. Like in processor, the Galaxy A56 5G is powered by Samsung's 4nm Exynos 1580 chipset, while the Galaxy A36 5G runs on the 4nm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. And both are paired with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage, offering ample space for photos, videos, and other files. Then for camera setup, while both phones features a 50MP main camera with OIS, 5MP macro lens, and 12MP selfie shooter, the key difference lies in the ultra-wide lens. The Galaxy A56 5G is equipped with a 12MP ultra-wide lens, whereas the Galaxy A36 5G has an 8MP ultra-wide lens. In terms of display, both the Galaxy A56 5G and Galaxy A36 5G come with a large 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel featuring an Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Besides, the screen support a peak brightness of 1200 nits and includes Samsung's Vision Booster technology, ensuring vibrant visuals and decent outer visibility. For build quality naman, these phones maintain a premium feel similar to their predecessors. However, the flat-sided design is a matter of personal preference. I'm not a big fan of it, but if you like flat edges, you'll probably appreciate this design choice. By the way, may flat sides din yung S25 series ha, kaya parang same din yung feels. Moving on, both models also features an IP67 rating, making them resistant to dust and water. Additionally, they come with One UI 7.0 based on Android 15 right off the box. Ang good news dito is Samsung has promised 6 generations of OS updates and 6 years of security patches, reinforcing its commitment to long-term software support and in their build to last motto or slogan. Next, one major improvement in this lineup is faster charging. Both devices come with a large 5000 mAh battery capacity and now supports 45 watts fast charging, a significant upgrade from the 25 watts charging speed of their predecessors. For colorways, the Galaxy A56 5G is available in Awesome Light Gray, Awesome Graphite, and Awesome Pink, while the Galaxy A36 5G comes in Awesome Lavender, Awesome Black, and Awesome White. So for the pricing and availability, ayun po yung pricing nila, and they will be available starting March 17. What are your thoughts? Sulit ba? Well, for me, in terms of pricing, I think Samsung has positioned these devices fairly well, given their feature set, long-term software support, and overbuild quality. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts on Samsung's latest A-series smartphones. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.